Now, let us start with question number first and second of exercise 14.1. हम लोगों ने पहले एग्जाम्पल में तीनों मेथड सॉल्व कर लिया है, डायरेक्ट मेथड, स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड एंड एज्यूम्ड मीन मेथड. मैंने पहले ही बताया कि व्हेन वी हैव द वैल्यू ऑफ fi एंड xi स्मॉल, then at that particular instance we can apply direct method. So simply, first of all, we require xi because I think so the value of fi is very small, so we use direct method, and the formula for direct method is sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. So to obtain xi, we know formula. What? That adding these two value, lower limit and upper limit, divided by 2, we get the value. So we are getting 1. Similarly, 2 plus 4 by 2 means 6 by 2, that is 3. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. It is also known as mid value. So we can simply obtain the value from the given class. Now fi xi, multiply fi into xi, बस दोनों का मल्टीप्लीकेशन करना है. fi xi, 1 into 1 1, 6, 5 into 1 5, 35, 54, 22 and 39. Now we require sigma fi xi, means summation of all the multiple of fi xi, means this is sigma fi xi, whatever we obtain here. So add all the values, we are getting, and this is 16, 162. Similarly, we obtain sigma fi. This is called sigma. Sigma means summation. So add all this value. So we obtain 20. Put each and every value. So 162 by 20. So 81. This is 10. So 81 by 10 equal to 8.1. First question is quite easy. We can easily solve this question by direct method. Now we will move toward second question. Now see, this is the second question of exercise 14.1. In this question, we have some value of fi that is not very small, not very large, but the value of xi is very high. Simply we know how to obtain the value of xi, that addition of all the lower and upper values divided by 2, we will get the value of xi, that is mid value. Now ui, let us apply ui equal to xi minus a by h. Then in first case, value of xi is 510 minus a is 550, that we have already assumed. And I told you can obtain or assume any value from the particular xi section or mid value section, divided by h. H is higher minus lower, that is 520 minus 500, we will get the 20. So minus 40 divided by 2, we will get the value of 2. See, we get 2. Similarly, for the second one, we can write 530 minus 550 divided by 20. So minus 20 by 20, we will get minus 1. Similarly, we can solve for all these above value. We will get minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Now move toward our formula, that is x bar equal to a, that is 550, fi ui. Now we have to multiply these two particular values, fi and ui. So 12 into minus 2, minus 24, 14 into minus 1, minus 14, 18 into 0, 0, 6 1 ja 6 and 10 to the 20. Add these two positive value, we will get 26 and negative value minus 38. Solve this particular one, we will get minus 38 plus 26, that is minus 12. This is summation of all the FI/UI values. Now A plus sigma FI/UI that is minus 12. Sigma Fi, summation of all the frequencies. So that is 50 and value of H 20. Now just solve it down. 0 0 minus 12 to the minus 24 divided by 5. After solving this, we will get 4.8. 550 minus 4.8, we will get 145.2. So in the first question, we are applying or we have applied direct method. But in second question, we have applied step deviation method. You can apply any method to solve the particular question. Okay, so let us take one or two more example or question from exercise 14.1. Now let us take example or question from exercise 14.1. Now we will solve, as we have solved question first and second in the previous video. Now we are solving question number 3. Question number 3, little bit difference from the other two questions. Why? Because in this question they are providing the value of mean x bar. They have already given the value of x bar, that is mean equal to 18. और इसमें हमें जो फाइंड करना है वो फाइंड करना है मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी f. So we can apply any of the method to solve the question, but the value of xi is little bit higher, so we try to prefer step deviation method because it become quite easy for us to solve the question. So xi we can obtain simply 11 plus 13 by 2, so 12, or the mid value is 12, 14, 15, 17, so mid value is 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. We get idea as we have solved two or more example before this question, so we can easily obtain the value of xi. Now move forward. Now what is the formula of step deviation? X bar equal to a plus sigma Fi ui upon sigma Fi into h. So now we obtain each and every value of the given formula. So first of all a. So we know the value of a should be selected from xi section, that is mid value section. So now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we select middle one, that is 18. मैंने पहले भी बताया है कि आप a की वैल्यू किसी को भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो, पहले को भी सिलेक्ट करो, लास्ट को भी सिलेक्ट करो, that doesn't matter. We can select value of a from anywhere from the xi section. Now we move forward. Now we have to obtain the value of ui. अभी ui फाइंड करने के लिए हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है xi minus a upon h. So we have value of xi, value of a. Then what is h? H equal to upper limit minus lower limit. So 13 minus 11, that is 2. So value of h is 2. Now let us solve. Ui equal to xi minus a upon h. So from the question, see, value of xi is 12, value of a, that is 18, and value of h is 2. Put the value. So minus 6 by 2, we are getting minus 3. So this one is minus 3. For the second one, simply, that is 14 minus 18, by 2 minus 4 by 2, we are getting minus 2. In the same way, when we solve each and every value, we are getting like this one. 18 minus 18, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we have value of ui. But we have to obtain the multiplication of a5 and ui. So value of a5 769 and ui minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. Now multiply this both value. So a5 ui 7 into minus 3 minus 21 minus 12 minus 9. Simply move forward, then f 10 and 12. Now add all the positive value and add all the negative value. So this is 22 plus 8 and this one is minus 42. Subtract, then we will get minus 20 plus f. See, now we have value of a, sigma a5. This is called sigma a5 ui. Sigma a5, the sum of all the given frequency. So now add all the given frequency, we are getting 44 plus f. And value of h is 2. Put each and every value in the given formula. Value of x 18. Value of a also 18 plus minus 20 plus f upon 44 plus f into 2. Now we can solve easily. Take 18 minus 18. Now see. Minus 18. Then we obtain minus 20 plus f into 2 upon 44 plus f. 18 minus 18, it becomes 0. Minus 40 plus 2f upon 44 plus f. Now multiply this whole value to 0, then it becomes 0. Minus 40 plus 2f. Now take 40 this side, 2f, then 40 by 2 equal to f. So f equal to 20. So the missing frequency of the given question is 20. Now see, by step deviation method, it becomes easy. You can also apply direct method to solve the given question.